Hi, I'm Neil, a top art instructor at Udemy and best-selling author of How to Draw Awesome Figures. Welcome to my course, The Power of Gesture Drawing. How to gesture draw figures. What makes me different is I actually teach the whys of how to draw. Like for example, why to use a C curve when drawing gesture drawing, or why to use an S curve. It's one thing just to say, hey, here, draw some gesture drawing. But to understand the why will help you become a better artist. I have over 10,000 happy students that love my teaching style, and I think you will too. Because I want you to draw the best figures possible, we're going to learn everything about gesture drawing and how it makes your figures that much easier to draw and makes them look that much better. We're going to learn what a gesture is and what a gesture isn't. We're going to learn how to apply the line, the C curve, and the S curve to our gesture drawings, to our figures. We're also going to learn how to draw gesture drawing from imagination and from references. We're going to learn a lot of different techniques of how to draw gestures. And then finally, we're going to draw 90-second, 60-second, and even 30-second gesture drawings. By the end of this course, you're going to feel confident and be able to draw 60-second gesture drawings like it was second nature. This course is for anyone that wants to draw better figures quicker and easier than before. It's for beginners and advanced students. It's for everyone. Hey, thanks for showing interest in my course, The Power of Gesture Drawing. I look forward to seeing how much you improve. So go ahead, click the enroll button. It's somewhere over there. Or take the course for a test drive with the free preview feature.